Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to encourage you to really explore slow motion hands and knees crawling. It is one of the best ways to connect your body and to gain stability, mobility, balance, coordination. It does wonderful things for your nervous system, for your brain, but it also allows you to work on and feel so many different things that are happening in your body. And you can work on coordination and timing as to when your feet and your hands touch the ground, when you shift the weight off of your feet and your hands. You can learn how to get into your toes and learn how to gently leave and land on the ground. And what's really cool is the connection that you feel in your body, like from your armpits to your pelvis. You just feel this wonderful connection that, it actually feels good, and you can feel your body turning on and working in order to allow you to move. And again, you can play with different hand positions, foot positions. You can play with exaggerated movements. And one of the greatest things to do is play with turning. Like the things that have to happen for you to turn. It's just neat. Anyway, it helps you gain access to your body, and the crazy thing is, when you're doing this, time just flies. So you're going slow, but time is ticking by. And then the next thing you know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes has passed, and you have just experienced a wonderful buffet of movement. And it's feel-good movement, but it's also do-good movement. This builds your body, helps keep you healthy, helps keep you able. And there's just so many wonderful things you can play with as you do it. Anyway, I know I've mentioned this before, but honestly, give it a good college try. Learn from it. You'll learn so much about your body, so much about what it does, but you'll also end up feeling quite good. It's invigorating. So that's my tip for the week: slow motion crawling. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.